Hey friends, Simon here with Grow on Urban Farms. Did you know that New Orleans is the third city with the highest rainfall in the United States? This presents a huge issue because of outdated infrastructure, some of it going back 300 years. We're here in the Marigny where we experience constant flooding, and we are addressing that situation in this property behind me with some green infrastructure that is aiming to do stormwater mitigation. The first thing we're addressing is impermeable surfaces. The main impermeable surface we have is the roof right here. So the idea behind the design is to slow down and capture all the water that falls on the property. So during a heavy rain event, the water from the roof will be redirected down a French drain, which is right below us. And it discharges right into here, where then it gets stored in this well, which was actually the old watering well in the property that we are now using as a reservoir. So one of the reasons these systems are so important to implement in our city, in our lovely city of New Orleans, is because our current systems are actually designed to pump the water out, to get the water outside of the city. And this is actually creating some of that problem of subsidence because the water is not being absorbed by the ground and therefore it just subsides. So what we have here is a system that's collecting all the water in the property and then letting it out through different drains to be reabsorbed by the ground and essentially rehydrate the ground. So as our pond and well max out during a heavy rainstorm, it starts releasing the water at this point, which is connected to a French drain that slows down the water and releases it around this area to benefit what we've planted here, such as the willow, figs, and the oak that was here initially when we started. So our second drain connected to the overflow from the pond runs out this way underneath the pavers and out the exit point. Here we are almost at the end of our journey, where we have the outflow from the second French drain that ends up going into our rain garden. And that will be the last stop on our rain train. So as the water exits on that point, this is our last attempt to slow down and capture that water in the property so that the city doesn't have to deal with it with its outdated infrastructure. And what it is a trench. We've dug a trench to hold that water and allow it to percolate into the ground slowly. Stormwater management systems and the quality of life we can all experience here in New Orleans go hand in hand. As you can see from our installation, stormwater mitigation systems can not only be functional, but beautiful. No matter how big or small your space is, you can also become a land steward by implementing green infrastructure that can hugely benefit you, your neighbor, your communities, and the world.